Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to show you how I make my all natural cleaning products. They're super easy to make, super affordable, and most of the ingredients you probably already have around your house. Once you have all these ingredients to make these cleaning products, it literally costs pennies to make. So if you are interested in how I make these products, keep watching. So what you're going to need to make these products is a glass jar with a suction seal, some glass bottles. I purchased these from Amazon for a cheap price. You'll need some measuring cups and some measuring spoons, as well as labels for the bottles. I made these at home with my Cricut, but I know you can buy them off Etsy for a fairly cheap price, or you can just use some chalkboard labels that are super cheap at Target. You will also need some essential oils, white distilled vinegar, unscented Castile soap, hydrogen peroxide, a food grade oil, in this case I'm using olive oil, some cornstarch, baking soda, citric acid, and some rubbing alcohol. Before I make each product, I inserted a clip of the full list of ingredients you will need for each product, so go ahead and take a screenshot of that so you have it and it's easy to find when you want to make these products. Alright guys, well there you go. This is how I make my all natural cleaners. Like I said at the beginning, these are super easy, super affordable. If you have any questions at all, please leave me a comment down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up and please hit subscribe for some future cleaning videos. Thanks guys.